All right, despite it being a pretty crappy looking day outside here today, lots of cloud cover, not much sunshine whatsoever. As a matter of fact, we got zero sunshine today. Nonetheless, we're going to be cycling southbound on Bayview Avenue, and we are cycling to the Dunlap Observatory, where they got a very old building there. They got some picnic tables around there. Have our afternoon tea, of course. And they got a humongous telescope there, which we are going to be checking out. Stay tuned, ladies and gentlemen. Definitely not the prettiest day, I'll tell you that. So we are at the intersection of Bayview and Elgin Mills Road here. I just wish there was a little bit of sunshine right now. It is what it is, folks. Sun can't shine every day. All right, well, we made it to Hillsview Drive here. The very end of this road here lies a beautiful observatory. It is beautiful. Great spot for an afternoon tea, folks. You'll see what I mean when we get there. It's a few minutes away. Man, it got real bumpy back there for a short stretch. We had to hop on the sidewalk so we can overtake one of the YRT buses. We had to get onto the sidewalk for that. I didn't want to veer onto the left side of the traffic. It got bumpy. All All right, so we are approaching the observatory. We got a bit of a hill to climb once we turn here. So give me one sec to get in a good position. There's a sign right there, David Dunlap Observatory Park. And let the climbing begin. Beautiful driveway, what do you think? I think that's a beautiful old driveway. Here we are, ladies and gentlemen. Here we are. There's a big old telescope. Here we are. All right, well, standing just in front of us here is the observatory. Big old telescope nestled right inside of this right here. That guy probably just took off from Buttonville Airport, which isn't too far south of us here, maybe a few kilometers. This is a beautiful spot to have a nice relaxing afternoon tea. Down at the other end where they got picnic tables, benches, so this is quite a nice place. I've never been inside or behind this blue door right here, folks. What lies behind these doors, I have no idea. It is locked. Well, obviously the telescope is in there. It looks like they've gone through many, many paint jobs on this exact structure right over here. Pretty nice. We got the woods surrounding the area too here, and nestled right on top of this hill is this, I don't know what age this place is. I'll probably have to put it in with subtitles. Well, we got kids here. We got other people here, unfortunately. But that's not going to take away from our stay here. We're going to have beautiful little tea and picnic here. So that's the telescope. Right over there is another building. This building, I believe, is from 1932, possibly. There's a plaque on the building. We're going to go have a look at it right now. It tells us the exact age of it. Here's the bike we're on today. 2022 Triban RC 500. I dropped my saddle height just a little bit, and I say this a lot, but right now the bike truly does feel dialed. I'm not just making that up. The bike feels dialed right now. All right, let's see what year this is from. Let's see. Yep, I was right. From the year of 1932. This stone was laid by David Moffett Dunlap, September 10th in the year 1932. Ooh, that's quite the drop. So you got a picnic table right there. That's the last time. For the last time we were here, we were sat right at that picnic table having an afternoon tea. Kind of like what we're gonna do here today. Let's have a quick look at the back of this building here. There is a pathway down there. I'm not sure if you can see it on camera. Down there, there is a public walkway or pathway, whatever you want to call it. Oh, there's a guy exercising down there. Maybe that's the gym down there. I don't know. I really have no idea what exactly goes on inside of this building here. I'll have to do a little bit more research. That's a nice shot right there of the telescope. We're gonna get some photos too, like every other video. We're gonna put photos in certain sections and certain parts of the video. All right. Very nice stonework, as you can see on this building. Lots of attention to detail, that's for sure. Oh, they got a telescope right here. My dad has a telescope, looks exactly like that guy right inside of there. I believe it's an Orion telescope. Yeah, lots of attention to detail. Check out these pillars right over here. Lots of detailed and hard work, you can tell, was put into this place. It looks nice. So maybe we're gonna get some photos now of the place. So stay tuned for that. All right, perfect spot for an afternoon tea, ladies and gentlemen. Why the heck not? Got a tiny little drip out of it here and there. I have no idea how this thing started leaking, but unfortunately it has started to leak. It's not like I'm overfilling it, it's about not even 3/4 of the way full. Let's see, taste test. Is it too hot? Is it just alright? Is it just perfect? Let's see. I think it's good to drink. I don't understand how this thing is starting to leak on me, but it has started to leak. And I just finished drying off my backpack today. I washed it last night. I let it dry throughout the day today. Because this stuff, the tea, from yesterday's ride spilt all over in there. There's a lot more than I first thought. I had a better look at it when we got home. It was soaked. So we had to wash it out and we let it hang dry today. And just before we left, we took it. It was perfectly dry. It's not too bad, not much leaked anyways for today. We'll be all right. The crows and ravens back there are just going crazy. Maybe it's a territorial dispute between them, who knows? There go two more of the ravens, the crows. That's the third and there's the fourth. Huh. What's going on with these guys today? Jeez guys, I hope it doesn't start to rain on me. I checked the forecast before we left. It does not call for rain. Even though you have one good look at the cloud cover here, it looks like it might, and it could. But they never called for rain today. Let's see. Let's update that. We're sitting at 18 degrees Celsius right now. Oh geez, you know what? Now we got a 78% chance of rain. 78% chance of rain. So around 7:15, that's in about 15 minutes. You know what? It's 6:58 right now. I better kill this tea. We gotta start pedaling on the road to get back home because I don't want to get caught in a rainstorm. Folks, if you like this sort of content, like and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a beat when I upload a new video, when I do a community post, or the rare and occasional live stream. We're gonna have to jump to the end here and end this little tour here. Not even a tour, a beautiful little bike ride here by the observatory, because it looks like it's gonna start to rain on us, folks. There's already a few droplets here and there on my saddle. Until next time, folks.
Catch you later.